You ever look at a niche or a market and thought, that's just too saturated, there's no room for me there? If so, I want you to know something important. Your biggest obstacle isn't the competition. It's the way your brain interprets competition. When people tell me that niche is too saturated, all I really hear is I'm afraid of competition. And I totally get it. Competition can feel intimidating. Your brain sees others succeeding and thinks, if they're already there, how could I possibly stand out? Totally normal. But here's the paradox. A saturated market isn't a warning sign to stay away. It's a flashing neon sign pointing to an already massive opportunity. Saturation means demand. It means people are actively looking to buy the products or services in that niche. Think about it like this. Have you ever noticed multiple coffee shops thriving in the same small town, maybe even on the same busy street? Why aren't they failing? Because the demand for coffee is huge. Customers love having choices and variety. And every shop finds a way to differentiate itself by ambiance, customer service, unique blends, or even the location. Same principle applies online. Whether you're starting a print-on-demand business, selling t-shirts, or launching digital products, or selling courses, the crowded niche tells you that the customers are already spending money there. Your job isn't to avoid the competition. It's to differentiate yourself within it. So how do you overcome the fear that stops most people from even starting? First, reframe what saturation actually means. Instead of seeing it as overwhelming competition, see it as a validation of demand. People are actively looking for what you're selling. Next, get creative. Your goal isn't to replicate exactly what everyone else is doing. It's to carve out your own space within that same niche. Maybe your designs are quirky and unique. Maybe your brand voice is refreshingly honest or humorously relatable. Or maybe you can focus on a hyper-specific segment of the broader niche market. And finally, shift your mindset from fear to curiosity. Instead of letting fear convince you that you'll never stand out, start asking better questions. How can I uniquely serve my customers better? What gaps can I fill in this crowded market? What special twists can I offer that no one else does? When you shift from a scarcity mindset, there's not enough room, to an abundance mindset of there's plenty of opportunity, your perspective changes entirely and you start to rewire your brain. Remember, successful entrepreneurs see crowded markets as proof that customers are hungry for solutions. They don't fear competition, they embrace it as fuel for innovation and creativity. Your greatest enemy isn't other businesses, it's your own limiting beliefs. So if you can adjust your mindset and you'll see competition for what it really is, opportunity. So think of competition like a tool. It's your compass. So follow it. Let me know what you think down below. Have you ever shied away from a niche because you thought it was too saturated? Or did you dive right in and now you're seeing wins? Let me know. See you in the next one.